Water, stone, wind. For 2,000 years, these elements have sculpted a coastline where forests lean over sapphire coves and forts rise like prisms of history. Tonight, I'm inviting you to sail with me through Croatia. 32 stops, each one a portal into color, legend and light. Ready your senses. Wonder is about to anchor. This film, it's not a countdown, but a pilgrimage. From Dalmatian ramparts to Istrian vineyards, Karst waterfalls to Danube wetlands. For each site, I'll hand you a cinematic framing cue, a pocket history, and one insider tip. 32 chapters, 5,000 words. Let's cast off. First, Dubrovnik, Pearl of the Adriatic, Republic of Ragusa, Game of Thrones stage, UNESCO crown. Imagine a sunrise, glide along 2 kilometers of limestone walls, gulls crying overhead. Straden's paving stones glow like wet glass before the cafes wake. My tip? At golden hour, climb Minsita Tower. Watch the sun turn the sea molten. Hop a ferry, 10 minutes to Lokrum Island, yet centuries removed. Benedictine ruins sleep under peacocks strutting like living jewels. Legends warn, spend the night and storms will haunt your dreams. Go for a day, find the hidden Dead Sea Cove, Emerald Mirror Flat. Next, the Elefiti Archipelago, Koloket, Lopud, Sipan, 3 green freckles northwest of Dubrovnik. Kayak through blue caves, olive terraces rolling above you, Sunji Beach on Lopud, late afternoon, sand turning pink as the crowd thins to whispers. Peljasak Peninsula, stones 5 kilometers, switchback walls, snake above glinting salt pans. Medieval salt wealth, today's oysters. Nothing beats hearing the pop of a fresh oyster shucked waterside, sea spray catching the light. Korčula, mini Dubrovnik wrapped in vines, legend says, Marco Polo's birthplace. Fishbone lanes and Posip vineyards, find a rooftop bar, Massimo at golden hour. Spin as the sun melts behind the Peljasak ridge. Then there's Hvar. Contrast the wild party yachts thumping at Carpe Diem with bees surfing lavender fields on the starry Grad Plain. Sunrise hike to Hvar Peak for a panorama still drunk on dawn mist. Vis and the Blue Cave, Zodiac pounding jade waves to Bisevo. Inside, midday sun refracts cobalt onto limestone ceiling, a cinematic act of God. My tip? Use a neutral density filter, capture that perfect blue. Brack, Zlatni Rat's spit flutters like a golden fishtail. Hike Vidova Gora, pull focus from wild juniper to the beach, 780 meters below. It's a visual altitude punch. And finally, Miljet National Park, Odysseus's Nymph Isle. Salt lakes under Aleppo pines, 12th century monastery floating at its heart. Come in mid-September when the crowds are gone and the water is still warm and glassy. 32 places, one endless mosaic. From stone ramparts to eagle marshes, Croatia is a symphony of blue and green, past and present. But beauty lives beyond the postcards. It hums in cafe chatter, salt drying on skin, pine scent riding sea wind. Go, taste the truffle soil, dive into a karst spring, and linger where waterfalls write white noise lullabies. The map is yours now. Sail on,